everyone. Today I'm gonna be teaching the way of tuning to the frequencies of nature in the world. So the first thing is knowing the date, the tonality. Today is Sunday, 17th of September, and Sundays are in C major. Because September is the 9th month, you're gonna start with counting until number 9. What I do is that I use musical names. Then, so the month is gonna be on a 60 beats per minute. So the seconds are gonna be those quarter notes. So that's gonna be the month. Then the date is gonna be on 8 notes, so half the value. And the day is gonna be half the value of the day. But because today is Sunday, I only do 2. So it's gonna be like this. I'm sitting in a lotus posture. In the morning of Sunday you can sit lotus posture, but then 11 a.m. is standing posture. But right now I'm just gonna do a sit. So it's gonna be like this. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do, re. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do, re. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do, re, mi, fa. So it's very important to keep the rhythm. I'm getting ahead of the rhythm, so I'm gonna do it again. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do, re, fa, sol, la, si, do, re, mi. So that's basically it. In that process, after meditating, I take a little bit to tune to the day. In that process, I do it in my mind, working the body. And it's basically how I start the day after listening to the frequencies. And it puts you in this mood where you see things based on the frequency of the day. Sometimes things start to move like slower or fast, but you're like aware and perceiving, feeling everything in the day. So thank you so much.